FaktorZehn offers fully automated digital core insurance solutions. Today, together with Achmea, they will showcase a new quotation management solution based on their open source product management system. Their solution allows for much faster implementation of complex insurance products. Next on stage, Faktor Zehn.
My name is Rene Wissing and I'm the lead architect of Achmea, one of the largest insurance company of the Netherlands.
My name is Shashank Jain and I'm head of innovation and sales at Faktor Zehn. We would like to welcome you here today to give you a short insight into pensions in the age of digitalization using innovation.
For all insurance companies, time to market, digitalization, and reducing costs are top of mind. And we will show you how to deal with these by using a pension product, but the same applies to all other insurance products. For digital transformation, innovation is key, but there are several real challenges we have, like performance, performance fitting to real digital insurer. Also, complex calculations, not only because of the regulations, but also that our customer asks for personalization. The other one is changing regulations, and it will change, and it will change, and it will change, and it will change. Managing contracts in a modern way, using self-service. That is what our customers are asking for. The other one is replacing legacy systems, because these systems are hindering us to become a real digital insurer. And 24/7 availability for all our channels.
This is exactly where Achmea profits from Faktor Zehn open source tool called Faktor-IPS. Imagine CXOs and decision makers being able to innovate by using just plug-and-play approach, which means insurers can create complex insurance products across all lines of business and maintain the whole process. And all that for free. That is zero investment for the IT department.
Today we are going to show you how an advisor could use this Faktor Zehn product for really offering the right product to our customers.
Due to time constraint and compliance issues, we would like to show you now a recorded version of a complex pension process that the business and the IT department has to go through together. Let's have a look into our system. Achmea Business Department has already defined business specifications in the form of an Excel sheet. On the top right-hand side, it can be seen that Achmea would like to launch new complex insurance products like Slim, Select, and Zaman in this particular case. Do not forget this, as this will come in the later part of the demo. This Excel sheet contains all the specifications for model, attributes, and entities which could be implemented by the IT department. The innovation here is reflected in the sense that the IT now has to go through a very simple and a very lean process, which means simply go to google.com, type faktorzehn.org, open that first link. Once you land on that website, insurers have the ability to download the software for free, which can be used for product modeling. This can even be extended to quotation management system and policy management system. Follow the instructions, go to eclipse.org, and simply download the software on your machine. It's like downloading any other ordinary software from the internet that we are used to. At this time, it has to be mentioned. The innovation here is that free open source innovation tool. Once the software is downloaded, you can unzip the folder, as we do it with any other ordinary software. Simply unzip the folder and open the exe file. We are quite comfortable with that approach. At this time, insurers have the ability to use the plug-and-play approach, which was never ever possible, which means that insurers can simply drag and drop and plug-and-play approach, drag the Faktor-IPS tool into this machine, and they can start creating complex insurance products across all lines of business. At this time, we have dragged and dropped. It needs to be mentioned that business specifications can also be imported into this tool with the help of an importer, which saves a huge amount of time for the implementation. And that's what we see here. Now, it could be seen very clearly that the business department wanted 3 products, Slim, Select, and Zaman, which are now existing in our repository. On the left-hand side, this could be seen very clearly that we have got model, attributes, entities, respective calculations, and also the propositions that Achmea would like to launch. That means that the IT department now is more or less ready. Moreover, insurers have also the possibility to maintain and manage the complex lifecycle processes like creating new white labeling variants, maybe creating new generations, creating premium calculations, creating new adjustments, and all the premium relevant attributes which are required across all the sales channel for the CRM application could also be done. This is the beauty of the innovative software that we have, that insurers now do not need to wait to pay for the licensing cost, which further increases the implementation cost. At this time, it has to be mentioned that the IT department now is ready with the product.
Yeah, we will use an Achmea portal for showing you how the product looks like for an advisor. First, you have to log in. Then you see a screen with the offering overview, and you see that the offerings are now empty. There's no offer at this moment. The advisor has to choose a new customer. He can use some help for choosing the right one. And then he can select the right product for this customer. And these are the same products that Shashank has shown to us. And you can use all the calculation in the background, of course. After that, you have to put in all kinds of information the product is asking for. A very simple one. And after that, as you have put in, then the system will ask what are the preferred channels. You can see it here. Making the right calculations, you have to put in all the employee information. So the system supports all kinds of import functions. Then the system is able to do the real premium calculation and show that to the advisor. He can make an offer after that, using again the calculation, of course. And then you see the offering overview is not empty anymore.
In a nutshell, it can be seen that this is an open source tool that can be used to create complex insurance products across all lines of business, be it P&C, life, and pensions. This has a great impact on time to market and the implementation cost. We hope you enjoyed our demo. If you have any further questions, feel free to come to a FaktorZehn booth. Thank you very much.
Thank you.